Hello, welcome to the session of Tally Learning. The concept is restoration of the data. For any of the reason, if the data gets corrupted, you can restore it back from the backup files. Already we know how to take the backup. Now let us understand how to restore it back. The process is, you can see here, the data is in the C drive, users, public, tally prime and data. C drive, users, public, tally prime, data. This is the data. Assume it has been corrupted and deleted. So I am deleting the data. Oh, sorry. One second. First I have to exit tally. Now I am deleting the data. So now you observe here, when I open tally, there is no data. It is a very risky situation where you have lost your data. Now, but you remember already you have backed up the data, so you should know how to restore it. Just press Alt and Y, choose the option restore, enter. Now select the companies. For on your left hand side you can observe the restore destination path. It is the default, so no need to change it. And on your right hand side you can observe here which are the companies to be restored. Let us restore all the three. Choose the one, enter. Second one is electronics, enter. Third one is Suhant. Choose end of list, press enter and accept. It is asking for the vault password, which is S20, enter. Just okay. Now escape. You can see, you can observe here the companies are restored back. Escape, exit. Let us check it once again. So the data is here. Press enter. Vault password is S20, enter. Enter the user ID and passwords. So you can see the company. Now the data has been restored. These are some of our upcoming training programs. Please comment, like, share and subscribe.